Alright, we're in. Let's see how historic this elevator is. No, I was joking. Otis Series 1. Uh-oh, somebody using it. Pretty careful. Hydraulic tube, various types. I know this has a fan. Oh, which floor, ladies?
We are going to 3.
Okay.
Did you go for 16?
What did I get?
Yeah.
I got for Gail. Santa. I got her. She wanted popcorn, highlighters, and a can of pencils. So I got that. And I got the socks, and then I got fingers on it. So cute. Oh, that's 2.
Oh,
Nevaeh, that is the wrong one.
That's the wrong one. I'm sorry. Oh my god.
Alright.
Break it.
Oh my god, my neck.
I mean, what is Skylar? What's gonna happen? I forget how short you actually are. Not like that, because I'm short too, but like.
I have a fear of elevators.
I know.
Why did you get on one?
Well, I gotta go upstairs, so.
There. Yeah, I was like, yeah, I'm not walking, I'm sorry.
Better than sorry.
Okay, so we get out on the 23rd. Is that when break starts for school?
The 20th is our last day.
Alright, have a good day,
On the
folks.
pictures and everything, it said the 23rd. I wasn't in there.
Hello. These are from the early 2000s, I think. There's your buttons. Let's watch the indicator. I'm sorry. This is just so funny. This is such a historic elevator, eh? I fooled you, I'm sorry. I like to play jokes, too. I guess there's 3 elevators in here. I have to find the other 2, but they're probably in locked areas. We'll go up to 3 and end the video. We'll watch the buttons. But before that, let's get a cat view. Before we go to Series 1, this is very nice. Anyhow, let's watch the buttons. No indicator beep, by the way. I don't know why. I think it used to work, but it doesn't anymore. Get our phone, 88. Get it off screen. Oh shit. Watch it close, and here's your fire alarm system. Simplest true art. And I think that should be it for now. I'm going to try to find the other 2 hours if I can. Anyhow, see you on the next video.